Welcome to Tecsart in Bussy-Saint-Georges, close to Paris. Today we talk about the MastersounD Gemini, integrated amplifier with KT150 tubes, and you will see it's a very interesting amplifier. Let's go together. Two generations to get to this integrated amplifier. It's actually since the 50s that the Sanavio family is developing audio electronics tubes for different companies, and more recently, I think late 90s, they opened the MastersounD company. In the beginning, the father, he was an engineer, and he was working for a broadcast company, developing and creating devices for audio, only audio. Then when he came back to Italy, he decided to open a company, in the beginning making just the output transformers and transformer in general for audio tube amplifiers, and then he decided to make his own amplifiers. So the company has been continued by the sons, which Lorenzo and Luciano. Luciano is still there, Lorenzo retired a few years ago, and now the company is keeping going on. There is a third, let's say, generation, if it's not in the family, that took over and is continuing developing the new electronics. Here is one of the last, as I was saying, it's called Gemini. Gemini is an integrated amplifier which is very complete, very powerful, very interesting. Come to listen to it. This amplifier is basically based on KT150 tubes, and these tubes alone, when paired in push-pull, they can deliver up to 200 watts. In this case, MastersounD decided to keep only 50 watts, to use only 50 watts, even if the reserve of energy is there, because the power of the tube is there. And but the reason is to give a long-lasting life to the tubes, and to have them working in the most, let's say, linear and actually better sounding curve of the tubes. And this can be used either in pentode, as they are, or work in triode mode. There is a little switch in between the two tubes, and you select in which way you want this amplifier to operate. If it's pentode, you have 50 watts. If it is a triode, then it's only 25. Of course, triode mode is even more tasty sound-wise, but the power is limited. 25 watts are more than enough if you have a high efficiency or even medium efficiency loudspeaker. If you have very low sensibility loudspeaker, then it's better to go on pentode mode. As said, this amplifier can drive really any kind of speaker, and it's a very well sounding, and also it's very complete. I just described how it works, but this amplifier, it has a phono stage inside, so you can use cartridges on it. It has a real active preamp output, and also line output if you want to connect the tape recording or recording, whatever. And it has also symmetrical balanced input. This is really symmetrized. It's balanced input. The circuit is not real fully balanced. So. But anyway, the input can allow to connect any kind of source, including balanced one if you want. The first you can see here is this balanced input, then the output with the pre-out active and controllable with the volume knob, and the line direct out. Then we have a 3-line input and the phono one. So basically we can connect whatever we want. The output binding posts here. You can see they are very massive and very qualitative ones, and 3 just because we have the possibility to connect either 4 ohm or 8 ohm speakers, so to have the maximum and best connection. So basically, amplifier is here. It is available at any time. We can listen to it. It deserves to take some time with him, and you will be convinced that the quality and is really great. Actually, this amplifier is born to give an alternative to the big brother, the 845 Evolution, which is a lot more expensive amplifier, but performance-wise, come and listen to it. You will see it's really something great. We are in Bussy-Saint-Georges, close to Paris. Please come. We will discover it together with some good music. Thank you. Bye.